Hello everyone, I'm Tita from Indonesia and this is my micro lesson on teaching grammar for Teach English Now capstone project 2. So let's check this out. Alright guys, look at the screen. So this is our next activity. What do you see on the screen? Yes, they are scramble words. Let's read them together. Played, she, badminton, and yesterday. Alright, so can anyone guess what the correct answer is? Okay, Joko gave his answer. She played badminton yesterday. Anyone have a different idea or a different words order? Anyone? No? Okay then, so Joko, can you tell me why you chose that answer? Or you just guessed it. Alright, that's okay. So let's break it down step by step. Look at the screen again, okay? So first, there's a word play. Who can tell me what kind of word is played? Is it a subject or a verb or something else? Alright, that's okay. Here's a clue. So played is an action, right? In Indonesian, it means bermain. So can you guess it? Yes, it is. It's a verb. Just remember, a verb shows an action. Alright, so let me mark it in blue. Alright, so great job everyone. Next word is she. Anyone want to try to guess? Subject, yes, perfect. It's a subject. She is the one who does the action. Alright, so I'll mark it in red. Now, how about badminton? What role does it play in this sentence? Verb, close guess, Rani, but not quite. Let's think about this. Can you badminton something? No, right? So if you can't do it like verb, what is it then? Remember, after the verb, we usually have something that receives the action. Yes, that's it, Andy. Badminton is the object. She played what? Badminton. That completes the action. Alright, so I'll mark it in the green. Alright, so now the last word is yesterday. What do you think that yesterday tells us? Exactly, that's the time expression. It tells us when the action took place. So, alright, I'll mark it in a yellow. Now, since we already learned about the simple present tense last meeting, can anyone tell me the formula for simple present tense? It's subject, verb 1, and object. So the simple past tense has almost the same formula, basically. But can you tell me what's the difference in this sentence? Yes, that's the difference. In simple past tense, the verbs usually ends with ed. We call it verb 2, especially for regular verbs, okay? So, well then, let's repeat the correct sentence together. What's the correct word order? She played badminton yesterday. Alright, good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Alright, so now based on the sentence, can anyone summarize the formula? Alright, so now let's say the full formula is subject, verb 2, and object. So this is for the affirmative sentences in the past. So if someone asks you something that happened in the past, you can use this formula to answer this. Do you have questions so far? No? So, alright, great work for everyone. Now look at the sentence again. Well done, everyone. Since we have now learned affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences in the simple past tense, let's practice it with the group game. Are you excited? Alright, good. Now look at the screen again. Can you see these verbs? So here's the list of verbs we will use. All of them are regular verbs. That means to change them into the past form, we just add, yes, we just add ed at the end. Alright, so let's read the verbs together. Play, visit, clean, watch, walk, study, open, close, talk, and help. Alright, so for the first activity, I'll divide you into small group, maybe 3 to 5 students per group, but actually I've already arranged the group, so you don't need to find them again. Then let's work together, okay? Alright, so I'll arrange your group. So group 1 here, right? So group 1 there, group 3 next to the window, okay? Alright, so group 4 at the back. So alright, done. So each group will take turns, and then here's what you should do. For step 1, you can choose one verb from the screen, and then I'll spin the wheel, and the wheel will choose the type of the sentence. Is it affirmative, negative, or interrogative? And then your group will have 1 minute to write the sentence based on the verb and the sentence type. Right, so if you know the answer, just tell us orally. Ready, guys? Alright, great. So which group wants to go first? Okay, group 1, please choose your verbs. You choose visit. Good. Now let's spin the wheel. Wait. Alright, you have affirmative here. And now make a positive sentence in the simple past using visit, okay? Alright, so your 1 minute starts now. Are you done, guys? Alright, so what's your answer? They visited their grandma last weekend. Alright, so that's a great sentence. Can you explain the answer? And which one is verb, subject, or verb? Right? The subject is they, the subject, visited, and then the object, their grandma, and the time, last weekend. Alright, give applause, guys. Perfect. 3 points for group 1.